welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my January curl kit. It came late this month. I actually got it just like 2 days ago, but they sent out a mass email saying that due to weather conditions or whatever that it came late, but it's fine. January's almost over, but I'm not complaining. Anyways, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open right now and show you guys what I got in my January curl kit. Okay, so this is the curl kit. Same box it comes in every month. So it comes in this wrapping if you don't know what a curl kit is. So it comes in this wrapping, and yeah. Should I explain what a curl kit is for those of you who don't know? So basically a curl kit is a subscription box that you get every month. I think it's $25 a month, and you can get like just random natural hair products to try out, which is pretty good for $25 a month because the retail price is way above that. And yeah, it comes with like full size products, sample size products, it depends on the month, whatever. So mine came with this pamphlet and it says Curl Life, Glow Up, Ear Transformation. And yeah, I follow her, I subscribe to her, BT Dubs. Yeah, Glow Up Your Transformation. This just tells you what's in the curl kit and a description of the product, I guess. So as I show you, I'll just read this out so you can know what the product is and what it's for. So the first thing that caught my eye is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils, because I have the leave-in conditioner for this. I think it's a leave-in conditioner. So it just says Lotta Body Coconut and Shea 5-in-1 leave-in treatment, full size. So this is a full size product. Coconut and shea oils deeply hydrate hair from the inside out, leaving hair soft and nourished with brilliant shine. Experience 5 miracle benefits for instant style and protection in one easy step. All-in-one leave-in treatment is perfect for all hair types, including relaxed, natural, or color-treated hair. I'm excited about this because I have the leave-in conditioner and I loved it, so I'm most likely gonna like this one too. So I'm gonna try this one out. The next thing I have is the Curl Keeper Total Control for Frizzy Hair, and I don't think I ever tried Curl Keeper, but it says, oh, it's not even on here. Oh wow, they didn't even have a description for this one. Let's read the back. Curl Keeper Original enables you to become the master of those gorgeous frizz-free curls. So what is it for? Is it like a leave-in? Okay, I guess it's like a leave-in. I don't know. But honestly, the only reason I hate samples is because this is only for a section of my hair. Like, this is not gonna do all of this. That's the only reason I hate samples. It's never enough, but maybe if it's good for that one section of hair, I can try it out and get the full size product for my whole head. Ooh, the next thing I got is this African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub. Yeah, sometimes they don't always just give you hair products, even though it's a curl kit box. Before I got like shower stuff, so that's good. I love African Black Soap. Anti-acne and clarifying. Yes, I'm excited to use this. Let's read the description. Nubian Heritage African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub, full size, another full size. A gentle homeopathic cleanser that naturally exfoliates and removes bacteria, excess oil, and impurities that can clog pores without over-drying or irritating skin. It has aloe vera, oats, and vitamin E to help smooth acne and prone skin. I'm excited for this. I love African Black Soap, especially for my face. Yeah, I'm going to be using this probably in my skincare routine, so stay tuned for that. The next thing I got is this sample size Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash Gentle Cleanser, which I'm sure is great, but this is not going to be enough for my whole head. And there's no description for this one either, but it's a co-wash, so no sulfates, no petroleum, no mineral oil. The next thing I got are these 4 Hawaiian Sky products. Okay, these look nice. It's apple cider vinegar hair yogurt intensive treatment. Apple cider vinegar hair so soft shampoo. Okay, they're all apple cider vinegar. Charcoal activated shampoo and hair so soft conditioner. Oh, I'm excited to use these. Wow. I think there's a description for these. Okay. For the charcoal activated shampoo, contains no harmful additives. Miracle Moisture Feel for deep cleansing with no sulfates, parabens, or alcohol. Get to the root of the problem. It all starts with a healthy scalp. This invigorating blend of organic extracts and essential nutrients fortifies and energizes the hair from roots to tips, reducing hair loss due to breakage. So yeah, I'm excited about charcoal because I know charcoal is good for your hair. I actually want to get the powdered charcoal too, so I can put that in my hair. So this is good. Next is the hair yogurt. This one, the hair yogurt. Intensive treatment gently detangles and nourishes hair while hydrating and rejuvenating with black castor oil. Apple cider vinegar clarifies and combats sensitive scalp for healthier hair with strength and elasticity. So yes, the yogurt. Why did I throw it like that? LOL. The conditioner detangles hair and seals in moisture for a sleek, smooth look. Perfect for all hair types. Apple cider vinegar conditioner won't weigh hair down or leave unwanted residue. And the shampoo gently cleanses while the smoothing properties for apple cider vinegar seal the hair cuticle for frizz-free look. Great for all hair types, including color treated. Is gentle enough for daily use and brings life back to limp locks. Creates controlled curls, moisturizes thirsty tresses, and gets oily hair under control. Alpha hydroxy gently exfoliates the scalp and removes product residue. Hair is left shiny, silky, and so soft. I have never heard of this product line. For some reason, I feel like I'm going to like it. No sulfates, parabens, and alcohol. I have never heard of this. I feel like I'm going to end up buying the whole line, to be honest, because I can just tell. Like apple cider vinegar, charcoal, they know. They know. Okay. The last thing I got is Candy Curls Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Enriched with avocado and argan oil, made with 100% organic ingredients. And this one says infused with avocado, hemp, jojoba oil, and shea butter that fills each hair strand with nourishment from roots to tip. This blend of 12 essential oil adds moisture and shine to every strand of hair. Your result will be moisturized hair that feels so soft and more elastic, which results in less breakage, adding natural moisture and shine to dry, damaged hair. So yeah, moisturized leave-in conditioner. And I needed a new leave-in conditioner too, so this is good. So yeah, that's the last thing that was in there. And let's just see what's in here. I actually, like I said before, I actually follow her on Instagram. I'm subscribed to her channel, and it's just a page about her transformation. Oh, I guess a weight loss transformation, because it has a before and after picture. Yeah, I love her. And then I see her on every pamphlet, I promise you. Oh, here's the African Black soap line as well. I'll probably end up buying all of those. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be filming a February CurlKit box probably soon, since this one came late. My other one will probably be coming soon when February hits. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and bye.
My left stroke just went viral.